Hey dancers! My name is Mrs. Selman and I teach dance at the Baltimore Leadership School for Young Women. I'm so excited to dance with you all. Today we're going to learn how to do the Bhangra. The Bhangra is an energetic folk dance that comes from India. The Bhangra is a dance that is done in unison or together with other dancers. Let's get started. First, start with your feet together. We'll call this home. Anytime that we say our feet are going back home, make sure they go back to this position. Now, let's find our right leg. There it is. This is the leg that we will always pick up first. Pick your knee up in front of you and cross and tap in front. We will call this area our community. After that, you'll pick your right knee back up and step right back in place at home. Now let's try the other side. Pick your left knee up in front, take it to your community, pick it back up, and bring it back home. Let's try it nice and slow from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and pick it up. Take it to your community, pick it up, take it home. Other leg, pick it up, take it to your community, pick it up. Now take it home. Try it faster in a 5, 6, 7, and pick it up, put it down. Up, down, pick it up, put it down, up, down, pick it up, and up, pick it up, and up. Now we'll add the arms. Everyone make your best donut hold with each hand. Now pick up your pointer finger as if you're making the number 1. Stretch your arms out to the side. Now shrug your shoulders up and down. Now, let's put the arms and the legs together nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, cross, up, down, cross, up, down. Shrug those shoulders. Up, down, and up, cross, up, down. Great job, dancers. Now you know how to do the Bhangra in unison. See you all in the next video, and happy dancing.